Hi guys. I'm going to give you a quick introduction into how I always explain cellular respiration to anyone. If my mom was asking, my son is asking, or a student is asking, I always give the same answer. So, cellular respiration is a process that is used by organisms. Just about any organism you can think of. Some do it in a little more complex way than others, but everybody has to do cellular respiration. So think of it like this. Cellular respiration is the process in which we take a perfectly shaped carbohydrate, like glucose, right? We'll take a nice monosaccharide like glucose, and we need to convert it into a usable form of energy called ATP. That's really what it is. It's using glucose, converting it into ATP to make usable energy. And I always have an analogy to go with everything. So here's my analogy for this one. So imagine you have a $100 bill and you go to, let's say you go to a vending machine and you want to get out a Snickers bar. Do you have enough money to get the Snickers bar? Absolutely. You can probably get like 95 Snickers bars. But is your money in the right form? Absolutely not. The vending machine does not take $100 bills. So what has to happen? You need to convert your $100 bill into a usable form of money, like singles or quarters if you wanted $100 worth of quarters. So the same thing is true for cellular respiration. So we start with a glucose molecule, which packs a ton of energy for all the processes that go on in your body, but it's in the wrong form. We can't use glucose for energy. Let's say you want to get a small vesicle from one side of your cell to another. You can't use glucose for that energy. It's in the wrong form. So we convert glucose from its form into about 36 ATP. So we took our $100 bill, which would be our glucose, and we converted it into $100 bills, but instead we're converting our glucose molecule into 36 ATP. And where does this happen? This happens in eukaryotes inside of the mitochondria, and in prokaryotes it happens on the membrane space of the organism. Because remember, prokaryotes are single cell. They don't have mitochondria. They don't have membrane-bound organelles. So that happens just on their membrane space. And for all organisms, it happens all day long, every day, day or night, night or day, doesn't matter. It's constant. Everybody has to do some form of cellular respiration. There are more complex ways, less complex ways, but everybody needs to do it. So right now, while you're sitting there staring at my video, which has been so hard to make, your mitochondria are making about 1 million ATPs per mitochondria per second. That's a lot of ATP. Alright, I'm going to make another video that's around the same amount of time. I won't make them any more than 5 minutes, I promise. Alright, talk to you guys soon. Bye.